All right. We're here. It is the 13th of December, 2021. And we'll jump right into things. So we have some requests for feedback on changes in the process. Michelle asks, we need your engagement, feedback, and insights to understand our MR rate. And the due date for this is tomorrow, December 14th. So please add any additional commentary to that issue. The next items are under the team discussion. There's a few items mentioned under the bi-weekly reliability health check. So we have 6 InfraDev issues, I believe, and a few security issues. Is there anything in there that people want to get into at all today? And Michelle also asks if that should be in this meeting or in the quad planning meeting. I'm not sure which meeting it would fit best into.
This seems to fit more in the quad, I would say.
Yeah, kind of looking at the status of some issues.
But I mean, the quad is also more optional. So I don't know if we want to have more visibility.
Yeah, I suppose if we want visibility with the whole team, then this meeting makes the most sense. But if it's more just for understanding where we're at, then the quad planning probably is fine. Okay. The next item is the monthly OKR health check. So there's a link. Let's see where that leads us. So it's just kind of looking at where we're at with our OKRs. And I recall we have a lot of the various trainings to go through, reliability and technical writing and psychological safety. So I guess just a reminder of everyone to kind of jump on those.
Quick question. Does anyone know? Because I think it's fiscal year Q3 or Q4. Does that end at the end of the year 2021, or is it in January? Because I've seen different dates in different places.
I think it's in January that it ends.
Right. Yeah, I had that.
The source.
I had that understanding, but I think that we've tagged like the due date for the 31st of December. Anyway, just maybe we should all be on the same page.
Okay.
I have the answer to that. The FY22 Q4 is November 1st, 2021 to January 31st, 2022.
Perfect, thanks. I guess as a side note, maybe we should update the due dates in the issues. Unless everyone is happy to, say, okay, let's make it 1 month before the due date, the actual due date. That will make sense.
Yeah, it makes sense to me to update them, unless for some reason the OKRs don't line up exactly, but probably worth pinging Michelle on.
Yeah. Cool.
And then the next point is from Michelle for the take advantage of opportunities provided by PM support infrastructure and UX to do 1 customer call or work an incident. I think we should keep an issue to track calls that Tim and Katie have been, or that Tim and Katie have, and checkbox if someone from the team has joined. What do you think? I think that makes sense. It's definitely the kind of thing where right now it's sort of a casual, like, who wants to join these calls? but it would be good to get an idea of how often people are joining and what types of calls people are joining in on.
Yeah, agreed. It could also be good as like a heads up for everyone, upcoming calls that you could jump on. Would this be living in our like our package, like how to say that? Not the GitLab-org, but like the package area? Like, is that where that issue would live? I guess it would also need to be confidential if we put like Zoom links and stuff on it, with customer names and stuff.
Yeah, I would put it in the package group project. I
Yeah,
forget what it's called.
Yeah, is it a project? Yeah. Okay, cool.
I can
Yeah,
link that here too.
Yeah, I can make the issue.
So, a note, in release, we used to have a shared calendar. So, everyone on the team will be there, and there's a few good uses to it. One of them is these kinds of meetings could be there, and to share everyone's like availability if you're going to be out, like PTO virus would put an entry in there for you. So, it's like a central place for all these things. I don't know if it would be too noisy or not, or if it would be useful, but it's, yeah, something we used to do.
I think a shared calendar is a good idea, especially if we start kind of aggregating more stuff on there.
Yep. Yeah, I'll bring it to Michelle. See what she thinks.
Anything else on that topic? Cool. Well, that's it for the recorded discussion, I think. So I hope everybody has a good week.